Rest in peace, Savannah Elmore.
Can you stop? Joke's over. Like, I know she's not dead. Can we go home? Savannah, get up. Wake up. Why didn't you tell me it wasn't a joke? I look like an idiot at the funeral. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! Your spirit world, bring back Savannah, please. I'll give you everything in my purse. What do I have in my purse? My wallet. I have a cough drop, 2 Cheerios, and 15 cents.
What are you doing? You've been snacking on this bread for
My
16
rules.
years. It's time for you to get up and go outside and go take a walk. Are you coming?
Fine. That walk really helped. Thanks. I'm glad.
I'll be inside.
Okay. It's time to go home, Savannah.